At this point, I have some floor plan diagrams in my project and they're displayed correctly in the menu. However, I want more than just a basic menu navigation. In this case, they're different views of a floor plan, but maybe they're levels in a one-line diagram. There's several situations where it's preferable to bypass the menu and navigate directly between these pages. For this purpose, we have some standard snippets in our library. The link snippet opens up the new page in the main window, while new tab and new window open the page directly in the browser. Let's look at the link snippet. We'll use pop-up and URL in later videos. First, I'll add an image to my page to serve as a navigation button, but you could also create a rectangle with some text or create your own custom component. Next, I need to add my link. All I have to do is drag out the snippet and drop it onto my button. This will add a link and a script to my button. The script contains the JavaScript code to open the page. It knows which page to open from the link's name property. All I have to do is change that name to the name of the page without the TGML extension. Since my page is located in a subfolder, I also need to add that to my link. All paths are in reference to the TGML folder at the top. As usual, if I refresh my diagrams, I can now navigate directly from one page to another. It's as simple as that. This is also how I can navigate to system pages, normally hidden with an exclamation point starting their names. We have two other snippets that work in the same way. A new tab will open the link page in a new browser tab instead of navigating to a new page in the current tab, and new window will open a new browser window. In both cases, the new page will not contain the navigation window or the library, only the linked content. So these are the snippets used in normal page navigation. I'll go ahead and add the remaining links between the pages. Our next task in the diagrams will be to use the URL snippet to link the diagram to some alarm and trend views. Until then, thank you.